Hey guys, I thought we'd take a look at another website together. I've not been to this website yet. I saw Shark Tank this season and saw Fishwife on there, and I thought we'd check out their website to take a look. So very bright, very colorful. Oh, again, we often see these really great for email marketing, not as great for conversion, but necessary evil. So their site overall looks really colorful, which is in line with their branding, I think. So this is great. I also love that they do have an opportunity for you to see stories and recipes so recipes is probably a really great, since you're kind of new to the US market with this upscale canned fish, showing what you can do with their product is a really great way to inspire people to purchase. And I'm hoping that there's a way to link to the fish that they're selling. Yes, so I guess that this is the fish that they're selling, and I can click here and get to their product page. Oh, nope, it's a pop-up. So this is good. So it doesn't even take me off the recipe. That's great. I would say I'd probably want to make it stand out a little bit more just to get more clicks on it. People may kind of overlook that, especially if they got to this page from Google. Like if they were Googling recipes for fish or canned fish and they got here, they may not really realize that this is an e-commerce and that's a shoppable link. So I'd probably find a way to highlight that more. This is a really great confirmation pop-up. I do know from looking at this here that I have a free shipping threshold, which is always great to promote AOV. Something like this, I would expect that quantity is frequently more than one for a pack of canned fish. So being able to change that in the confirmation toast is great. If you have products that you don't get multiple quantities of, which is really common on a lot of e-commerces, this is totally not necessary and can just be like a drain on performance, getting quantity and variant information and such. But this is great in this use case. I can remove it. I love this call out to subscribe and save 10%. And then they do have an add-on of tongs here, and it looks like I can cycle through and get additional add-ons. So let's just click one. Great, so now I've got the free shipping threshold. I didn't even have to leave the confirmation toast. Go here to checkout, and this is a good checkout page, a good cart page. It took me straight to checkout, but I can do Express Pay. I'm hoping that if I did this on mobile that I would see ApplePay. I probably would. I'll have to check that out later. I'll leave it in the comments. Pretty simple, straightforward, one-page checkout, which is awesome. So that's all I'm gonna look at today. I think they're doing a lot of things right, and let me know what you thought.